Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys another thing you're gonna want to do is sanitize and clean your seat belts. I'll show you guys how I do. I'm using the same turtle wax product. I simply spray it up here like this and let it soak. But this kills germs. Sanitize your seat belts up 24 hours, but ain't nobody gonna ride up here. So I'll show you guys how I clean my seat belts. Look at there, got all that dirt coming off. Just think this junk man wrapped around other people. So you definitely gonna want to sanitize your seat belts and stuff. Look at there. See how the dirt and grime just coming right up? The buckle part. Make sure you kill all the germs to it. Camera is kind of jacked. I just want to share that quick video. I'm using the turtle wax stuff. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.